and front, side, smile on your
Growing up in Durham, I think now I see all of the benefits more than I did as a young person. My mother was an educator. She was a prominent educator. So dance was my out. It was my refuge. It was the thing that only I did. My name is Hope Boykin. I am a director, writer, choreographer, filmmaker back home here in Durham, North Carolina at Duke University for the Durham premiere of States of Hope.
Have you thought about the why? The real reason why?
And I am thrilled to be back at home to share this work that I've made.
Ah, yes.
I love working with young dancers. Once you have the knowledge for something, you should share it.
Okay, everybody ready to laugh? Go.
Having Hope come back and come back with such a positive attitude and really advocate for dancers just like me was truly important, so I can see that it is possible.
3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Cross in front, side.
There was
back.
always this presence of Duke. I was born in Duke Hospital. I studied around the corner on 9th Street. I attended Durham Academy. So it's easy to think that Duke would be the place that I would share this next after New York. You're only really born one place. I love coming home. It's a place that is foundational for me. I love working with young dancers because they keep me young. Through me, they can see what can be. They keep me on the edge of what's next because we can't just walk in our own silo. We've got to be a part of what they're creating as well and value that.
Great. Thank you. Thank you. Well done. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks so much. Bye.